Hello there, welcome back to the channel. In this video, I will walk you through how to create and edit a navigation menu in WordPress and style it beautifully using Elementor. Whether you are building a personal site or an online store, your navigation menu matters a lot. So let's get started. Before you touch Elementor, you need a working menu built in WordPress. First, log into your WordPress dashboard, then go to Appearance, then Menus. Under menu name, type a name like Main Menu and click Create Menu. Now let's add items to the menu. On the left, you will see option to add pages, ports, custom links to our categories. Check the boxes for the items you want and click Add to Menu. Once added, click the small arrow next to each menu to customize details like navigation level, what your visitors will actually see, like home or shop, title attributes, to text shown when users hover, open in new tab, toggle or any only for external links, CSS classes and descriptions useful if you are styling the menu further with custom code. One drop downs, drag and drop a menu item slightly under and to the right of another to make it sub menu item. Once your menu looks good, click Save Menu. Now you need to assign your menu. Click the Manage Location tab to scroll the button to the menu screen. Assign it to primary menu, header or whatever caption your team allows, then click Save Changes. That's it for the WordPress setup. Now comes to the fun part, designing the Elementor. Now open the page you want to edit and click Edit with Elementor. In the Elementor panel, search for the nav menu widget. Drag it into section where you want your navigation to appear, typically the header. From here, customize your menu look and feel, layout, align, toggle button. Under the style tab, you can tweak text color, background color, and hover effects. Spacing between menu items, typography like font family, size, and width. Want full width or sticky headers, add a section. Your content, set it full width and enable sticky under motion effects. Once you are happy with the design, click Update to save. And that's how you can create and style a custom navigation menu using Elementor and WordPress. If this helped you, drop a like, hit subscribe, and let me know in the comments what you would like to see next.